What's going on? Michael Petty here. So I'm getting back into the swing of things. Had a kidney transplant this past Saturday. Got home Tuesday, trying to heal up, trying to get back into order. Get back into online business as usual. Took some time off, trying to relax, trying to heal up. I was on dialysis for about 4.5 years, so it feels good to actually get that time back, not having to spend 4 hours sitting in the chair getting my blood clean. So I have a lot of time on my hands, and after thinking about it, there was a lot of time every week that I was out, that I was just sitting there not doing anything, not being productive, falling asleep. Then when I get home, I'll go to work, go to dialysis, and get home, try to do the business. So I wasn't able to put a lot of work in that I wanted to. So I'm getting back into the swing of things. Been home for about a week so far. May have to take the next month off or so. So I said it's the best time to really, get back into working my business full time, I guess you could say, without the hassle of needing to go to work and getting overtime. But am I ready to get back to work? Yeah, what I do is simple. It's not hard what I do. I'm not one of those individuals who say, "Oh, go full time" and all that. I'm a believer where anytime you're making money for your family is good. Whether you have a job and work in an online business like I do. I work for a grocery warehouse, been there for 20 plus years. Longevity in the company. Longevity in the company that I'm promoting, Exitus Elite, 9-year-old company, great ownership, great support of all the businesses that's out there, all these businesses that come and go. This business right here has stood the test of time. I've been doing this business for about 2 years, and in that short amount of time, I've seen so much growth. I've seen a lot of information that's compared to other businesses that I promoted, where I even promoted businesses where the owner was great marketers, but the partnership that they had fell apart, and so the business was gone. So I love the training from that business. So here we are inside of Exitus Elite, and the biggest thing I like about it fits everybody budget. You got some people that say, oh, some people may not want to spend $1,000 or $2,000 in high ticket. Maybe they want mid ticket. With Exitus Elite, you can make anywhere between $100 to $2,000. So you can start as low as $149, make unlimited $100 commissions. If you want to upgrade, you don't pay, from level to level, you don't pay the full amount. You only pay the difference. So the max you're going to pay is $23.99 at top, and you all in, right? No monthly fees, no yearly fees. You pay one time and you're done. You earn forever. You get training in the back office. You get team training that we give when you partner with us and our team. We get to pick how we get paid: Cash App, Venmo, PayPal. As soon as you get paid, the money is available to you, so there's no waiting on your money, right? You get paid immediately. And we have a call center which help close your sales. So it's very simple for anyone to make $1,000 or $2,000 paydays, because you can actually activate the call center. So as you're out and about and maybe you're busy, but you want to promote your business, Exitus Elite comes with lead capture pages, comes with the built-in autoresponder. You activate the closing team. You can just focus on running traffic to your lead capture page, and the system pretty much takes over from there. If you don't want to use paid traffic, you can do simple videos, post on Facebook, connect with people. This business is very simple to run, especially now with the additions they're adding in, making it simpler for people like you and I to make up the $2,000 paydays. In all reality, it's all about making the decision that I want to make $1,000 per day. I want to position myself to make $1,000 per day, and then getting started running traffic to the system, cheerlead the system. So one of the most simplest ways that I found to build this business is YouTube. The last few people that have reached out to me gave me a call and said, "Hey Mike, how you doing? I came across your video on YouTube and I want to connect with you." A few people reached out to me on Facebook, but the highest quality of people that I've came across has been through YouTube. So it's all about just cutting the camera on, telling people your thoughts, just letting people know what you believe, letting people know how you feel about your business. It's truly that simple. There's no secret lead sources. There's no ninja tricks to getting people to look at you. It's all about giving people someone to connect with, allowing them to get to know who you are as a person. People that relate to you will migrate to you. People that don't, of course they don't. Like me, I particularly look for people who have a full-time job who may not be making the money that they want to make. You know, you got a full-time job, but this business is perfect because you have a system that's going to do majority of the work for you. You run the traffic to it, right? It collects the names, email addresses. It then sends them emails, and it does the follow-up, and the closing team will close your sales and send you the commission. In my opinion, this is perfect for me. So if I'm at work, and it has happened, one day I was outside cutting the grass, and $100 sale came through. And I came in, and the person, reached out to me on Facebook and said, hey, talk to me a little bit. And they said, well, I'm going to take a look at this opportunity, and, I'll get back with you. I was like, cool, reach out to me anytime. So when I cut the grass and did some lawn work, and I came back inside and I seen $100 sale, and I was like, okay, that was very simple. This is simple. Another person came through, messaged me a couple times, saying, hey, I'm interested in this business, so can you send me a link? And I sent the link, and they just joined up. They didn't even take a lot because of the information that Exitus Elite gives. By the time you see the presentation, you already gonna know if you want to do the business or not, especially through the sales page that I put together myself through Power Lead System. I use Power Lead System for the tools to build my own pages, like this capture page you're looking at right now, my own sales pages. Some of the team bonuses you're going to get is made through Power Lead System. And the team bonuses that we have, I have my copy and paste file. I got a mega swap file. I got my one-on-one bonus training, giving tips and ideas on building the business. I got a 3-generational bonus training. That's a full team training I got from my sponsor that I'm going to share with you. Okay, we have, for our G1000, G2000 members, we have a team private chat for ongoing support and training. If you have a question, you ask it, you're definitely going to get an answer. For my G1000, G2000 members, if you make the decision to go big in your business, I'm going to help you get eyeballs on your business, right? The more people that can see this business opportunity, the more sales you can make, right? The more $1,000 and $2,000 paydays you can have in your business. And I'm going to help you with that. You come in at G1000, G2000. So listen, if you have any questions, my contact information is down below. Reach out to me, call me, text me, email me, ask your questions, right? My name is Michael Patty. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll talk to you soon.